Daya Christian Joey from DC821. Number 1. What is the case all about? In Kadahas versus People, in 2021, a man who was found guilty of the offense of child pornography is the subject of the case. Photos and text obtained from his Facebook Messenger account by the minor's father were among the evidence used against him. It transpired that he had granted the child's access to his own account. In this instance, neither police officers nor any other state agent worked to collect the images or chats from the Facebook Messenger account that were retrieved and utilized as evidence against the petitioner, which he views as the fruit of a deadly tree. What are the facts of the case? The RTC claims that when the petitioner persistently pushed AAA to give him pictures of her private areas, he was aware that AAA was still a juvenile. The juvenile victim, AAA, would not have engaged in this explicit sexual activity or lewd behavior if it weren't for the petitioner's constant prodding. The question of fact occurs when there is uncertainty regarding the veracity or untruth of the stated facts, as opposed to a question law, which occurs when uncertainty exists regarding the application of the law to a particular set of facts. Number 3. What are the issues on the case? Christian Kadahas is charged with the violation of Section 10A or of RA number 7610 for allegedly doing the following. The aforementioned accused committed deliberately illegal and criminally motivated correction on or around November 16, 2016 in Valenzuela City within the jurisdiction of Honorable Court by acting with a lewd intent and abusing the power of minority. It was appropriate for AAA, a minor, to use Facebook Messenger to send pictures of her breasts and genitalia. This behavior jeopardized AAA's youth, healthy development, and interesting worth as a human being. And in criminal case number 215 v 17, finding accused Christian Kadahas is not guilty and is hereby acquitted. The prosecution failed to prove that this man has violated some of our law against child pornography, and in this case, and since it was committed through a computer system, the petitioner was correctly convicted of child pornography under Section 4C2. What is the ruling of the Supreme Court? The definition of the right privacy is the right to be free from unjustified publicity or to live without unjustified exploitation of one's person, or from intrusion into one's private activities in a manner that is humiliating to a person's ordinary sensibilities. And the privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable except upon lawful order of the court, or when public safety or order requires otherwise as prescribed by law. Any evidence obtained in violation of this or the preceding section shall be inadmissible for any purpose in any proceeding. What are your takeaways, learnings from this case? For this case, I learned from this case that you should know the law about child pornography, especially for the minors. For sending a person her private parts or the things that doesn't need to be sent or should be sent, as a student, it is important for us to learn this kind of case about child pornography. So in this case, many students would be aware that there is a law like this in our country, and the consequences for it is to be jailed and arrested by the agent from our country. And para sa akin, ang child pornography ay isa talaga sa crime na magagawa ng isang tao dahil pwede itong makapagpanira ng buhay ng isang babae or lalaki or kung sino man yung nabiktima ng child pornography, dahil pwede itong makalat sa public or sa kahit anong social media. Kaya importante na natutunan natin itong law na to sa ating bansa. And thank you.